need to make sure that you've overlocked the shorter edge of the fronts. I'm going to iron my seams apart, but I have to say, if you guys want to just overlock it all in one go, you could overlock the side seam after you've sewn it, right? That is possible, especially if you have a lighter fabric. First thing to do though is to put both fronts on top of each other and then pin them in with pins that are vertical to your seam, and then you can either leave them in or take them back out, and then you put the back over it and you pin it down and sew it. It's great. Effectively now down here I have 3 layers, so it does get a little bit thick. I like that because also any imperfections are not so visible, so like little rolls of something on my belly will not be seen so much if you have got this nicely held in by a double layer of fabric. That's why I quite like the wrap dresses. They really do wonders for a figure. And 1 centimeter seam allowance. Wonderful. Now take it to your ironing board, and now we need most of this seam ironed to the back because it would be way too thick if we didn't do that. But at the top, because I'm going to put my binding on there, and since my knit is quite a thick one, it's more medium weight, I want it ironed apart so that it's not too thick in that area. You, of course, could have ironed it over into one direction, which is the back. That also would have worked. So, but why have it easy if you can do it beautiful like that? Okay, so side seams done. Excellent. We are coming to the end. It's going to go really fast on to the armhole binding.